Okay, we are back. Now let's have a look. What are we going to do here? System is exactly the same. The project is the same. What we're going to do now is to see what is the disparity, because the LED wasn't really switching off properly. It got to a point where there is still light. So we don't want that. We want to remove that. So in order to do that, we need to do the calibration, which is quite easy. You can see the sketch here, the Arduino IDE sketch, the program that I put over here. Obviously, we're going to bring the usual pot pin, and the value, the serial print, which will visualize the pot. Let's upload it. It's uploading now. Okay, now we're going to bring the terminal down. And there we are. We got on the terminal. You can see the number coming through. And now I'm going to move it all the way to the lowest one, which is 18, 17, and the highest one is 24. So, as you can see, the minimum is between 18 and 17. So on the previous program here, on the LED pot here, I changed the minimum. As you see the value here, this value is the value 15. It's the minimum, and the 1023 is the maximum. Right. So if it was 0, the light will still be on. I put 15 and the light was, almost off. But here you could put 18 and it would work exactly as the previous one. So this is the way you can do. If you look at the program, you can calibrate your pot doing this type of operation or programming. Thank you very much. Bye.